In this video, we are going to unbox the SD-7108M, the edge-lit running man sign by Standard Fire Safety. The box comes with English and French language labels for your convenience. Upon opening the box, you can find 3 green polycarbonate pictograms. Next, you will find the aluminum casing that contains a 4.8 volts NiCad battery and the high-intensity LED lights. You will also find a wall or ceiling installation kit. Finally, you will see the high-grade acrylic diffuser. The aluminum casing and diffuser can be assembled very easily, and it comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. For more information about this product or any other of our products, please visit our website at standardfs.com.